Welcome to the Back 40 Feet, where we'll talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. And today's project is building a squash tunnel. Since we only have a tiny backyard, we do square foot gardening. I've talked about that on other videos. But squashes, specifically cucumbers, and basically anything in the cucumber family. So that would be melons, winter squash, zucchinis, and cucumbers. They can take up a lot of space in the garden as they ramble along. But if you grow them vertically, you can grow so much more. So for cucumbers, you can get 2 cucumber plants per square foot by growing them up. And that's what I do with my winter squashes because they love to ramble. So I have this giant tunnel. I got it from a Gardener Supply catalog. And it's about 6 foot tall, and I put it in my raised bed gardens, and it has netting that goes over it. And what happens is the winter squashes trail up it instead of across my garden, and then I can just pick the squashes above my head. What it also does is, as that foliage starts to really get bigger, it provides some shade to parts of my garden that really do not like direct sun and would only like part sun. So this is a strategy for keeping some plants that prefer cooler weathers like kale and lettuce, beets, carrots, out of the sun and shaded throughout the summer, so you don't end up getting parched plants. So it saves me space in the garden. I can get winter squashes, and I can get some shade for my more cold favored plants. So here's the bit of the squash tunnel before it has been assembled. Here's the squash tower. It's all built now and put into the raised bed gardens. So it's got some trellising, just some mesh trellising for the vines to go up. And you can see that it makes a nice tunnel, which is going to provide some shade for the plants that will be in the garden that do not like the summer heat.